Today we're going to be taking a look at part number CU129412. This is the ComeUp Cub 4S Powersports UTV Winch. This one's going to have the synthetic rope. The Cub Series Powersports Winch can help you get out of the mud, snow, ice, or whatever obstacles stand in your way. It's designed for endurance and reliability. It's going to feature a high efficient, low amp draw sealed permanent magnet motor. This right here is going to be our sealed weather resistant contactor. This is going to handle high amps and allows higher duty cycle. Once it's installed, its job is pretty simple. It simply just disconnects your winch from the power source when the vehicle is not in use. So in the instructions, it's going to indicate that it needs to be mounted close to the battery. You're also going to get all the necessary wiring and hardware. It's going to feature color-coded wiring. So here in this bundle, you're going to have your yellow and blue wiring. That's going to connect to the yellow and blue posts here on the winch and run to the yellow and blue posts here on the contactor. Then you're going to have your red and black wiring. That's going to run from the red and black posts on the contactor to the red and black posts on the vehicle battery. So another neat feature about that is that it's all color-coded, which makes the installation a little bit easier. All the wiring here in this bundle, this is going to be 6-gauge wiring, so nice heavy-duty wiring. It's also going to come with your handlebar rocker switch. This is going to allow you to control the winch from the seat of your UTV. All the wiring and the plugs are included for the installation. You're also going to get the bracket and all the necessary hardware to get that installed for the handlebar rocker switch. Now this is going to be rated with a 4,000 pound single line pull rating, so that's going to be the capacity of our winch. When it comes to the motor, we're looking at an 800 watt, 1 horsepower, 12 volt permanent magnet motor. When it comes to the gear ratio, it's a 3-stage planetary gear system. It's going to offer a gear ratio of 191:1. Here on the side, it's got the nice large red knob, very easy to operate. That's going to be our clutch. We're going to have an engaged position and we're going to have a disengaged position. With it engaged, that's going to allow us to use the handlebar rocker switch to control the in and out functions of the winch or our load. And then with it disengaged, we can actually just grab the end of the rope and we can pull on it, and it allows the winch to go into a free spool mode, which allows for fast synthetic rope payout. It allows us to get it easily to the load so we can connect it to our load or to our anchor point. This right here is going to be our grade 70 forged steel hook with a safety latch design to prevent accidental disconnecting. It's going to come with the strong hand saver strap and the pin and clip that connects it directly to the end of our synthetic rope. This right here is going to be our Haas fair lead. Made from aluminum construction, nice smooth design. Our synthetic rope is going to come through the Haas fair lead, and the nice smooth design is really going to help eliminate friction, or it's going to reduce the amount of friction, so it extends the life of our winch here at the synthetic rope. It's going to come with the mounting hardware for the Haas fair lead. Now keep in mind that the fair lead is designed to be attached to a mounting bracket, not directly to the winch. The winch mounting bracket is going to be sold separately, so that part is not included with this part number. When it comes to the braking system, we're looking at a mechanical and dynamic load holding brake. It's going to offer 100% braking. The winch is going to feature an aluminum die-cast drum and housings, so it's built for strength and durability. It's going to feature that nice center drum design. The drum size is going to measure 2.2 inches by 4.7 inches. It's going to use, again, the synthetic rope. This is going to be SK-75 synthetic rope. It's going to measure 50 feet long by 7/32 of an inch in diameter. If we flip this over, we can take a look at the mounting bolt pattern. Your mounting hardware for the winch is also included. Measuring this direction between the holes, we're going to have 4 holes. We're going to have a measurement of about 6 5/8 of an inch. And then the separation between these, it's going to be pretty close to 3 inches. That's going to be the same for the opposite sides. Now the winch is going to weigh about 17.6 pounds. That's with the rope already on it. It's going to give us an overall length of about 14.5 inches, overall width of 4.5 inches, and then overall height of 4 3/4 of an inch. Now with no load on the rope, it's going to have a line speed of 19.7 feet per minute, and it's going to draw 15 amps at 12 volts. With it at max capacity, 4,000 pounds, with a single line of rope around the drum. We're going to have a line speed of 6.6 feet per minute, and it's going to draw 230 amps at 12 volts. But you can see everything that it comes with. You're going to get the winch, the hook with the hand saver strap, handlebar rocker switch, Haas fairlead, all the wiring that you need. You're going to get your sealed contactor, mounting hardware for the Haas fairlead, mounting hardware for the winch, mounting hardware and bracket kit for the handlebar rocker switch. You're going to get some zip ties to secure any excess wiring that you may have, and you're going to get these nice rubber boots to protect the posts and the ring terminals on the wiring. That's going to do it for our look at part number CU129412.